Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing some of my Christmas ornaments, and basically this is the way I do it. I sit here and I figure out what I want to put on them, and then I display them on my table the way I think I like them. They're already almost assembled. All I have to do is glue them on. What I do is I buy these snowflakes at the Dollar Tree. They come two in a package for $1.25. I'm Canadian, so we have to pay the extra 25 cents. And I used to put them on these ones, but for the past couple of years they haven't been getting these in anymore. So, but I like these ones better because they had the little tinsel around them and made them look nicer. But anyways, I started doing them this year this way with this one. So what I do, I like to layer my my appliques. So I get my snowflake and I take whatever appliques I have, and when I layer them, I like to make sure that I can see every part of the laces that I have. I'm not the one that layers one on top of each other and you can't see the bottom applique or the bottom lace. I'm like to see everything that I put on there. So when you're looking at it, you can see everything. And basically this is how I load them on, like that. And then of course I put whatever bling I want after. I usually use E6000. I find this sticks better, especially with the glitter and all that stuff. And I put a little, I like to work on the flat side. So I'll put a little bit on here for now. And I'll put my first one on. I already cut them all up, so this way I don't have to sit here and cut them up while you watch, because it might take long. I'm not very fast or quick in doing my work. I like to take my time. Excuse me. I think I've got a frog in my throat. Excuse me, sorry about that. Especially when you're selling this stuff, you want them to stick on and not fall off. And I have a fair to go to in a couple of weeks, so that's why I'm working on these things, so I can get them done. Basically that's it. There's your Christmas ornament. I had dyed this a little with blue dye, so it has a little tint of blue on there. And I already have these already made. A little bit of seam binding and the flower so you can hide your work on the back, because I like to have the work on the back just as pretty as the work at the front. It's just as important to me. I'll get some of my little bling bings. I should have these ready too. Okay, there. I get these at the Dollar Tree too, for $1.25 for a little pack like this, and they usually go a long way too. I like to put one on the back. And then I cover there's that hole up here where the string was before. I cover that up. Oops. And then get a little bit of seam binding and to make a nice little bow. All right, let's do it again. I'm a little nervous. There we go. It's better. For some reason, when you're on camera, it never works out, does it? No, it doesn't. Sorry about that, but I'm usually better than this. There it goes. Don't need much because this is really good glue. And then I'll put a little bigger bling on this one. I should say pearl. And there you have it, all done up. And that's how easy it is to do. I'm going to do another one. Now, what I did with this one here is I put this applique on there, and since I had a white one with the little dangles, I put that on the bottom, and to give it, to make it a 3D effect, I put 2 little pearls on each side so it's not flat, and that gives you a different look. So basically the same thing with this one here. A little bit of glue on the bottom. I don't put very much, I really put it lightly on, because this, when it takes hold, it really sticks. See, it gives it more full, because if you just had the 2 butterflies with just a little dangle, to me it looked empty. By having the little applique on the bottom, it gives it a little more fullness to it. And since this I have a pink butterfly, I'm going to use pink seam binding, so it gives it more color. Use a pink one here. See how nice that looks. It's nice and finished. And now with this one I'll use pink seam binding. Hope I get a better luck this time. ornament, I use the white one here. Where did I get that big one? Press it in a bit, and there we go. And that's, they're both beautiful outside, from the back and from the front. And that's how I do my Christmas ornaments. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.